Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Airbnb profile name. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Airbnb profile name to something else. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to change your Airbnb profile name, first log on to Airbnb. Then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Account Settings, then click on Personal Information, and then you're going to be able to change your legal name and your preferred last name on this page here. So go ahead and click on Add or Edit, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Airbnb profile name. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.